spend the night. Nah, I've been alone almost all my life, and shit like that don't change up overnight. I'll let you sleep with my cheek. Tell me the things that you don't normally tweet. Acid and LSD and smoking blunts on the beach. 69 now 69 so we can both get a piece. Yeah, I've been cutting corners like my whole life. Backstabbing bitches tryna kill me with the whole night. Day I die, I'll be the only day a nigga goes right. When I go there dreaming like I got a this shit go right.
She said careful or you'll lose it. But girl, I'm really human, and I know there's a blade where your heart is, and you know how to use it. And you can take my flesh if you want, girl, but baby, don't abuse it. Come on, these voices in my head screaming, run now. I'm praying that they're human. Please understand I'm trying my hardest. My head's a mess, but I'm trying regardless. Anxiety is one hell of a problem. She's latching on to me, I promise all it. It's not right, it's not fair, it's not fair, it's not fair, it's not fair, it's not fair. Oh no, no, no. Turn around, turn around. She said careful or you'll lose it. But girl, I'm really human, and I know there's a blade where your heart is, and you know how to use it. And you can take my flesh if you want, girl, but baby, don't abuse it. These voices in my head screaming, run now. I'm praying that they're human. Run, rolling back your eyes to your mind like, oh, whoa. The pressure in the gun's like, yeah, whoa. Yeah, I'd see the killer be killed like, whoa, whoa. Bullets like the polar stew like, this is what I do, take another bite, big enough to chew. She said careful or you'll lose it. But girl, I'm really human, and I know there's a blade where your heart is, and you know how to use it. And you can take my flesh if you want, girl, but baby, don't abuse it. These voices in my head screaming, run now. I'm praying that they're human.
Alright, love you but you cannot spend the night. Nah, I've been alone almost all my life, and shit like that don't change up overnight. I'll let you sleep with my cheek. Tell me the things that you don't normally tweet. Acid and LSD and smoking blunts on the beach. 69 now 69 so we can both get a piece. Yeah,